Hello there, it's your Realtor Jenna Davis. I am just finishing up an open house out here in St. James on County Road 1100. It's 16900 1100. It is a modern farmhouse, wraparound porch. It's got over 3,500 square feet. It's listed at $320 and it is available. We had a little bit of foot traffic through here today, so I wanted to be able to show it off in case you weren't able to make it because it is a Sunday. So I'm going to turn the camera around here for you. Now this is our front door. It is a super beautiful, tall front door. And then you've got your stairs going off to the side. And those are all the extra bedrooms upstairs. There's 2 large bedrooms, and then another one, and then a very large bathroom. And we'll take a walk up there real quick too. This is our half bath right here. You've got your dining space right here to the right. And as you walk through there, here's your kitchen. And this home was built by a cabinet maker, builder. She did my cabinets in my house when I bought it in St. James. She did an awesome job. She's got this star theme through the whole area. But you've got 2 big pantry areas there, nice large island. You got a dual fuel stove, so you have electric in the oven and then you have gas on the top, which is really nice. That was a custom top right there. So you've got stainless steel. A couple of our cabinet doors, they're glass with some stars on them, which is nice. And then all of these have pull-outs. There's pull-outs everywhere. And then it even has one of those with the mixer that pulls out. This is your path coming in from the 4-stall garage with wood-burning heat coming up from the porch. You got a farmhouse sink, which is really pretty. And then you've got your living room heading this way. Master's right there, then your laundry, and then your walk down to the basement, which has an incredible theater in it. You have screened-in porch here. It's finished, it's really nice, tall. You got a pool in the back, and then you have another concrete area in the back there. So we'll take you in here to the master. You got the really big windows, just like you have in the front of the house, which gives it that farmhouse feel. And your master bath. It's got a soaking tub. You have a dual vanity, separate shower, really large closet. Sorry to show your closet off. And then your water closet's in here at the front. So let's walk you down to see the theater because it's pretty amazing. Sorry I'm walking so much. We'll go down the stairs. So you've got a stained concrete area here with a custom floor. You also have a full bath. So this is our space here. It wraps around. You got a closet there, pool table area. Stand still for a sec. You have your full bath, shower, vanity. And then in this room as well, right here, it's locked up. It's gun / hide from a tornado room, which is quite large. It's actually a workshop for the owner. You've got your utility area in here. Sorry, I thought I had all the lights on. It's quite large as well. You have your systems. House is really well cared for, well built, in great shape. And then this is our fireplace. Here's your walkout, concrete area, goes out to the pool, which is nice for having that full bath so they can shower when they're done. And then this is our theater room. It's pretty amazing. Seats, goodness, 15. Surround sound. It's got a bar area.
That's great.
Can definitely entertain in this space. So I think I'm going to take you upstairs. I know this is getting long, but if I've got you tuned in, I want to be able to show you everything. So we're on 6 acres. We have a brand new pond that's been dug in the back. It's draining real well. It's all going to look nice and green when we get some spring because it's just been finished. And then we're in the area kind of off of County Road 1050, which is a really popular area where you can do your side-by-side riding and everything. Oh, I'm winded from coming up the stairs. Here's your extra bedroom here. You got another, the bedrooms are really nice size. And you got your overhead landing, which is cool. Extra windows. Another large bedroom, lots of windows. And then the closets are really big. They're walk-in. Sorry to show your messes off, girls. And then you got another really big bathroom. Double vanity. Lots of space here. So this is all the kids using this space up here. So it's just got a lot of pretty details. Got your chandelier there. Like I said, it's all concrete in the outside. It's non-maintenance. Everything's wrapped in metal. Vinyl siding. You can just enjoy the outside, which is awesome. So thanks for watching. I hope that if you would like to see this in person, that you'll give me a call. All my info's online. You can find me. And thanks to the sellers for letting me hold this open. Thanks for watching, you guys.